Hey, what's up guys? This is a very important tutorial on the events list. And if you haven't noticed by now, this is all of life. The events is really cool for tracking everything throughout your year. So these are the ones that are preloaded. I got like things like holidays, paydays. If you click on payday, it's bi-weekly on a Friday, which is the most universal pay schedule. Now, if you're weekly or monthly or anything else like that, you could just go in and change it. And you can see how the events list work. There it is on the bottom. And the top is usually reserved for things that are permanent. If you go to Moed, these are more feastly things having to do with the Dead Sea Scrolls. So for instance, if you go to Passover, you see Passover Moeds on the top. And that's what I call the heavenly bar versus the earthly bar, things that can fluctuate depending on circumstance. Okay, so yeah, pretty cool. So it shows 60 events, and to go to the past events, you go there. You can see the different types of events here. So as I said, paydays, moons, different moons throughout the year, that kind of thing. Work schedule, okay? And there's a little clipboard there. If you go to the month, we're in Octafall now, it'll just narrow down to events that are only in that month. So if you would like to see the day of week, you could click day of week and it's already there. So you can see what day of week things fall on. Don't want to make this too long. One other thing is Empire. And that is just for big moves. So I have 4 preloaded. If you go to day 1, I'll show you how to do one of these. And day 1 is kind of generic. It's got everything up on there. So basically, you go here, go to your Empire clipboard, and we're going to do the spring. So going back to day 1, we're going to move over here to day 2, and it's just whatever season symbol that is. That's how the code works. But just paste it here at the bottom. Okay, and there you go. Now let's click on it and see what happens. As you can see, day 2 just popped up. And guys, it doesn't have to be that sophisticated. I mean, you could put anything you want, like a dentist, just whatever you have going on in your life. And there, see, dentist just popped up for today. All right, well, hope you enjoyed that.